The most honest life lessons no one talks about. 1. The day a blind man sees, the first thing he throws away is the stick that helped him all his life. Growth means letting go of what once served you. 2. Sometimes you have to suffer in life, not because you're a bad person, but because you didn't know when to stop being good to the wrong person. Kindness without boundaries leads to self-betrayal. 3. One of the biggest mistakes we make is assuming other people think the way we do. Empathy requires clarity, not projection. 4. You can't change someone who doesn't see a problem with their actions. No amount of effort can replace someone else's awareness. 5. The greatest thing you can give yourself is freedom from what others think. Peace begins the moment you stop needing approval. 6. You can't make someone love you by giving them more of what they already don't appreciate. Love grows in presence, not persuasion. 7. Just because you miss someone doesn't mean you need them back in your life. Missing is part of moving on. Longing is not always a sign to return. 8. Forget trying to change people. Change yourself or change your environment, or both. Your power lies in direction, not correction. 9. Leave when a promise turns into a sorry. Repeated disappointment is not love, it's a pattern. 10. Drive carefully on this road called life. People will switch lanes on you without signaling. Stay alert. Not everyone moves with intention. 11th. You learn a lot about people when they don't get what they want from you. Character is clearest in disappointment. 12. Being honest might not get you a lot of friends, but it will always get you the right ones. Truth filters your circle. 13. You grow as much as the amount of truth you're willing to accept about yourself, without running away. Real strength starts with honest reflection. 14. Only the disciplined are free. If you're undisciplined, you're a slave to your moods and passions. Freedom is not the absence of rules, but mastery over self. 15. The first to apologize is the bravest. The first to forgive is the strongest. The first to forget is the happiest. Healing is the reward of inner courage. 16. More important than the ability to choose the right one is the strength to walk away from the wrong one. Clarity comes when you stop tolerating confusion. 17. If you have to keep asking yourself if something is worth it, then maybe it's not. Doubt is often a whisper of your deeper wisdom. 18. Forgiving someone in silence and never speaking to them again is a form of self-care. Forgiveness doesn't require re-entry. 19th. Anything you begin to take a relaxed attitude toward stops controlling you. Detach and regain control. 20. You'll realize it sooner or later. Everything is going to be all right. Maybe not today, but eventually. Time brings clarity, and healing follows.